Okay, please introduce yourself.
Myself Rabia Aslam. I'm from Pakistan, basically from Multan city. I have done masters in botany from Baudouin University. After completing my education, I served as teaching job in a Muslim group of school and colleges. For 4 years, I was a biological teacher over there.
All right. Okay, so let's see for the interview. And your first question is, what would you like to change in your daily routine?
Well, I would like to change in my daily routine. Like I am using excess use of mobile, so I want to change my routine, like less use of mobile because it affects my like eyes and my mental health. So that's I think this can make sense.
All right. Are all your days the same?
What do you mean?
Are all your days the same?
Yeah, all my days are same except weekends. Normal day routines like I have to do study and like attend the classes because I'm doing preparation for the IELTS. So that's why I have to do practice for that. So all my daily routine is same except weekends. On weekends I have to spend like my free. I have a lot of free time because in weekend don't have to attend the classes. So that time I am free. So I used to do watch Netflix and go for shopping and for hanging.
Okay. So tell me about your typical weekday or typical weekend.
Okay. On typical weekdays, I already told you about that. I have to spend my time on my studies, focus on my practices, the IELTS papers. Then at the weekend time, so I used to spend my time on the watching Netflix movies and on cooking as well, and also like for shopping, visiting outside, like to fresh my mind.
All right. So what is the balance of work and study and free time in your normal day?
Balance of studying and free time in your workday. Okay. I used to spend like nearly 3 to 4 hours on my study in a day, in a typical days, and on weekend I have extra time, so I used to spend like 10 hours or maybe 8 hours on my study.
All right. Okay. So this is the time for part two, and this is your paper and pen. This is your cue card. You have 1 minute to prepare on it, and your time has been started. Okay, your time is it. Yes, start speaking.
Okay. I think I remember in my childhood, I have to do I have a cycling competition in my school, so I have to do cycling over there. I participate in that. So I've never experienced the cycling before that. I was 6 years at that time and the three class. And then I do cycling competition. When the cycling competition starts, I do cycling and I win the first prize in the cycling. I never expect that because I've never experienced cycling before that. So I do cycling, and I when after winning the first prize in the cycling, I was also like unexpected for me. I was post that I was shocked that I have win that prize, and my other friends and like teachers are also very shocked by him by seeing that I have won the prize, first prize. And after coming back to home, I have shared my all the struggles that I have faced in during the cycle because during the cycle I was struggled by using the pedals and because it's the first time, but I never but I not feel like disappointed. I do my struggle continuously and till I won the race. And I shared my this journey to my family and my brothers. They are also shocked to hear that we won the prize. And I because they are shocked because my brothers are used to do cycling in the streets or in the park, and I never do that. So they are shocked how you do that, and my family are also like shocked. So that's the thing I do.
Next person is what type of possessions show status in your country? This possession.
So in my country, people used to like have an possession like of cars, own car, and own home, and own profession. So people are usually careful about that things in my country.
Okay. So do you think it was different for your grandparents?
It was different from your grand. Yes, and because in my grandparents' era, like people used to do possession of like their properties. But nowadays people don't have the possession of the properties. People are used to buy cars and then and they look after their cars, and they are so possessive about their own things like car and like personal things. If you talk about like mobile phones, it is.
Okay. A modern society is often called materialistic. Why do you think this is?
Yes, modern society is like because technology is evolutionized day by day, and this also affects the people mind as well. Like people are becoming selfish because of technology revolutionization, and in the past people don't have to like modern things to use and modern things to do, so the people used to spend their time with each other. But nowadays people used to like own their own self and don't like to spend with time with their neighbors. They don't like to talk with others. People are just so selfish. So that's why people are like materialistic as before like in the past.